Okay, so first tips, make a circle, straight line, oval, and this line. Okay, this is first try to draw here circle, straight line, and the neck, and here this two ear, and here the two horn. Okay, two ear is this position, and two horn this position. Make it first. Okay. Next tips, I just going to over here. See, this is the line. Okay, this is the line. So in this line, see, not draw, just watch it. In this line, you can just draw here. Okay, in this area, you just make the eyes in this area. Okay, here. So this nose, eyes, and should be the same position. So here I just make the nose one. Here I make the nose one. So this is the position of the nose, and the eyes are very nice. Don't drop. Eyes eyes are very nice like this. Okay. Okay. First you watch it. Okay. Then they go like this, and here the nose position. Okay. First. So next steps are going like this. See here. How to create this animal drawings and exactly perfect proportion, maintain the proportion, okay, like this. So next tips, eyes and nose and the ear. Okay, this three part, ear like this, and your time start now. I just make it here. See this part. This is the horn of this, horn of the, okay, this zebra or the giraffes, and add something like that. Okay, put this color, join this here, just join this line. Okay, here can be make just something line like this. Yeah, is this giraffe? This baby giraffe. Make this first the sketching. Okay, first sketching. Come on. Not starts yet. Not starts. Just stop drawing. See my techniques. Don't copy artist. Make this techniques. Understand the techniques. Artists call who is the only see and do not understand, that a copy artist, and who's the understand, okay, why this line is coming here, why it is not coming there. This is the now start your drawings.